Nathan's gonna be so mad. Goodbye, rubber ducky. You will be missed. Peace out, A-Town.
Tell me when to get him.
Just let him go.
Just gonna let him go permanently?
Just let him go. My ducker. Go get him. Ducker. You motherfucker duckers. No. 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 Yes.
He's alive!
Victory. Don't you ever do that again. You scared me, ducker. Secret out.